Hello and welcome to Deepak Singh's live show. I am Sayed Tuba and with me is the man himself, Management Guru Mr. Deepak Singh. Before we move forward, I must tell our viewers that Mr. Deepak Singh is the editor of Indian Observer and also he is the president of Youth Organization, Association of IMT Study Centers. He is also the president of Modern Institute of Management as well as Modern Institute of B.Ed Studies. Besides this, he is the management trustee of Editor Shri Harbhajan Singh Foundation Trust. He is also the Vice President of All India Small and Medium Newspaper Federation. और आज के इस शो में मिस्टर दीपक सिंह आपकी पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स का प्रोमिनेंट सोल्यूशन बताएंगे। तो अगर आपको आपकी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम परेशान कर रही है तो आप स्क्रीन पर फ्लैश हो रहे नंबर्स पर कॉल कर सकते हैं और मिस्टर दीपक सिंह आपकी सारी की सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन बताएंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का हमारा ये शो। सर, वेलकम टू द शो। सबसे पहले मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि आजकल सबसे ज़्यादा जो प्रॉब्लम, चाहे छोटा सा छोटा बच्चा हो चाहे बड़ा हो, जो एक प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं वो है स्ट्रेस। तो आप सबसे पहले हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताइए कि स्ट्रेस एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है।
See, stress is the reaction towards any situation. जो भी कुछ situation होती है, it is your action, it is a reaction towards that. So when the reaction is of fear, you will have stress. And when there is a reaction there are two attitude, you can say की फर्क पैता है और एक बहुत फर्क पैता है। So the thing is that when you have this attitude of बहुत फर्क पड़ गया, if anything happens, then stress follows.
तो स्ट्रेस जो है वो इतना हावी कर लेते हैं लोग कि डिप्रेशन में भी चले जाते हैं। ऐसा क्यों होता है कि अपने ऊपर इतना ज़्यादा हावी कर लेते हैं?
See, stress is, if you will not kill the stress, stress will kill you. And stress is, you can say, the understanding, they are not able, whatever the action they take, they don't take it with the pure thoughts. Then the stress happens. When you have pure thoughts and you take the action, the stress will not happen.
What are the side effects? अगर एक बंदा है जो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लेता जा रहा है तो साइड इफेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं? क्या?
See, stress के side effects होते हैं that you are not able to focus, you are not able to sleep properly, you are not having the, what you can say, wherever you go, you don't feel like as if you are there.
Okay.
Your heart is not there where you are, because your mind is always working on the stress. It is solving its problem, but that has to be solved. That stress has to be taken under control.
तो when is the time? कब ऐसा लगेगा एक इंसान को कि हाँ भाई, now it's time to take a step. I am in stress and I have to do something about it.
See, the most important thing is that when you think good and act, good follows. When you think anything wrong like jealousy, ego, or anything like if you are able to harm anybody, if you do anything wrong, the stress will follow. So why not to do the thing which will make you a better human being? See, when you are happy and then you act, the chemicals released by your body builds you up. And whenever you are having a problem or whenever there's a stress or whenever you don't understand the thing and you act according to your improper thoughts, the stress follows.
Stress and depression, these are obviously two different things. There is a thin line between it. तो हमारे viewers को आप ही बताइए कि exactly what is the difference?
See, stress can also be healthy in the sense that you have to go to office, you have to reach office by 10:30. So the thing is that you have to reach office by 10:30, you have to complete the work. That is, the stress is also good, that you have to do this thing according to the specific time. But unnecessary stress, which is not solving the purpose, which is not giving understanding, is stress. Okay. So you have to understand the thing. And if you will not kill the stress, stress is going to kill you.
If you will not kill the stress, stress is going to kill you definitely. Stress is like a disease.
Yes.
How to cure it?
See, the stress can only be cured with your good actions, with your good acting according to the good thoughts will kill the stress.
Okay.
Whenever you act, the more you act according to your good thoughts, the less stress you will have.
How to manage it?
See, the managing is that again and again I'm telling you, your mind keeps on working. So you have to make your mind work according to pure thoughts. You have to act according to pure thoughts. You're always behind every action. There should be intention, should be a good one. The stress will be removed. The stress can only be removed when your actions are a good and a pure one.
ओके, डेफिनेटली आज हम स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं, तो मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को एक बार फिर बताना चाहूँगी कि अगर आप मिस्टर दीपक सिंह से अपनी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन जानना चाहते हैं तो आप यहाँ पर कॉल कर सकते हैं स्क्रीन पर फ्लैश हो रहे नंबर्स पर, और मिस्टर दीपक सिंह आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन बताएंगे। तो हमारे साथ एक कॉलर जुड़ गए हैं जी, पूछिए अपना सवाल।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
गुड आफ्टरनून।
सर मेरा नाम अनु है और सर मुझे ना स्ट्रेस बहुत होता है, ऑफिस के वर्कलोड की वजह से बहुत परेशानी होती है।
क्या परेशानी होती है आपको?
हेलो, तो ये अनु थी जिनका कॉल शायद ड्रॉप हो गया है। वो ऑफिस भी एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है जो आजकल लोग बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड आउट रहते हैं।
देखिए, जब आप ये लेके चलते हैं, जब आप काम करते हैं, आप ये मत लेके चलिए कि मुझसे ये काम नहीं हुआ है। आप ये लेके चलिए एट द एंड ऑफ द डे मैंने ये काम किया है। You will be satisfied when you will be thinking that this is the work what I have completed. You will be satisfied, there will be no stress. But when you will say कि 10 में से आपका एक काम नहीं हुआ, then you will keep on thinking that one work that has not been done, that will give you stress. You should think about that you have done other work also.
So how to bring that?
See, this is, you have to cultivate, no? You have to cultivate the things that most of the time people are dissatisfied. They have to get the satisfaction, yes, I have done this. When you are going to your office, whenever you are going, you know you have got 6 or 7 work, but if you are only able to complete 3 work or 4 work or 2 work, you should have at least this satisfaction, I have completed this. Then only the next day will be a good one and you will be able to compete it.
Definitely. Alcoholism, it is also a very problem, stress की वजह से जो होती है। तो ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हमेशा नेगेटिविटी की तरफ लोग जाते रहते हैं?
See, alcoholism is a disease where the person focuses on the negative thoughts. They are not able to take the conscious out towards, like again, there's a fear, there's a faith, there's a sickness, there's health. So whenever you focus on the other part and not the good part of it, if you think that I'm going to be healthy, you are going to be healthy. But you are taking the medicine and then you are thinking that I'm sick, you will remain sick. But if you are taking the medicine and thinking that I will be healthy, you will be healthy. So that attitude change has to be brought out. Now I'll tell you, now you are talking about stress, and there was cigarette companies in America. It was stated that in this because there were so many deaths and so many problems happening due to the cigarette problems, smoking. So they said they will come up with a resolution where in the pack they will write down the cigarettes is injurious for health. Now with this, the people thought that the writing this will take down the sales of the cigarette. Yeah. But this is to believe it, after 2 to 3 months, the sale had gone double.
Okay.
The sales of cigarettes had gone double after the printing of cigarette is injurious to health. So the thing is that now you see in India, now see the road fatality, how much it is the highest in India, that the people die with the road accident and there's a road rage and all these things. It's just because of the bad attitude. This is all because of stress level. They are not able to control it, and the country where Guru Nanak, where Gautam Buddha, where Mahavir, where Krishan ji and so many great people were born, these kind of things are happening. This is very wrong.
Definitely, we will definitely talk about that. But before that, we have a caller, धर्मेंद्र रायपुर से। जी पूछिए अपना सवाल।
हाँ, हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ जी।
धर्मेंद्र जी, पहले आप अपने टीवी का वॉल्यूम कम कर दीजिए ताकि दीपक सिंह जी जी पूछिए।
हाँ जी,
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार जी।
ये मैं अपने करियर से जूझ रहा हूँ, करीब 8 साल हो गए हैं।
हाँ जी।
कोई बिजनेस सेटअप नहीं हो पा रहा है, बस इसी समस्या के बारे में आपसे पूछना था जरा।
नहीं तो क्या करते हैं आप अभी?
मैं अभी फिलहाल तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि फिलहाल में मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया था अप्रैल की 6 तारीख को, और उसके पहले मैंने एक इंडस्ट्री डाली थी, वो बंद हो चुकी है, और करीब 8 साल से मैं सफर कर रहा हूँ।
आप जॉब ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप करना क्या चाहते हैं ना? व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू?